Hi, ever wondered how to make your kick and bass sound tight? If so, this video is for you. Here we'll try to quickly show you the technique described in our latest blog tutorial, linked below. Before we dive into the tutorial, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell. The process of making the kick and bass sound tight is often a discussed issue in mixing, but it often fails to provide a satisfactory output. The lower end of the spectrum is a critical area where mistakes can easily be made. In this example, we'll show you a solution to a specific problem. In this project, the kick drum was comprised of two layers, top and bottom, top with the high frequencies and the punch, and the bottom with all the sub-tail. The main issue was that the sub was too long and was overpowering the bass. So we fixed that by using an LFO tool to create an envelope that would take care of that long sub-tail. Also, we noticed that the punch was a little bit too prominent, so at the beginning of that envelope also provides a fade-in, and this is to make sure that the transient is also not too overpowering. I'll play the kick drum unprocessed first, then add the bass to it, and then of course I'll include that processing on the kick drum so you can hear how that actually makes the kick and bass sit really tight together. Of course, after that we'll hear everything in the context of the full mix.